I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, Cardano Army. It's your boy Boomin coming at you with yet another video, guys. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, that like button, and that notification bell. Thank you to everybody leaving about 4-5 comments down below, even the trolls. Yes, I love you, trolls. Keep on with that negativity. Thank you so much for the engagement. Leave about 4-5 comments down below telling me how stupid I am for buying Cardano. I don't care. Just do it. Thank you. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. And we got Sunday Swap Labs with some news here. Some Hydra news. Today, our team is excited to demo something we've been hard at work on for months. Sunday Swap on Hydra. While the way's out, this is an important milestone, not just for our scaling journey, but for Cardano's as well. We will provide more details later. So here's some code over here. And it looks like, you know, this is interesting. Looks like we're able to swap. Visual comparison of transaction throughput on Cardano testnet, unique to L2 solution, powered by Hydra. Data below is refreshed every time there's a new block. This signifies average orders per second of each network. Okay, so this is actually pretty cool, guys. Hydra is coming, and it's the scalability solution for Cardano. Amongst many, it's one of the many scalability solutions coming to Cardano that will make Cardano faster, cheaper, and more accessible to the masses. We're trying to get 1 billion users on Cardano, guys. If we can get 1 billion users on Cardano, we will be one of the most valuable blockchains in the world. Okay, people are sleeping on that. Right now, we've got about 3 million wallets. Obviously, not all those wallets are used, but we've got over 1,000 projects being built. Cardano grows each and every day. If we can get to 1 billion users, guys, what do you think that's going to happen to the token price? For the people who only care about token price here. Not even, guys, if we get to 1 billion users on Cardano, the token price won't even matter. The token price won't even matter. Like, it's bigger than the token price at that point. So, during this bear market, we're building for anticipation of what's going to happen in the future. And people are so short-sighted now that they can't even see what we're trying to build here. So shout out to Hydra, shout out to Sunday Swap, and Lord have mercy, I just looked to the right-hand side, 400K worth of meth found hidden inside pumpkins at the Texas border. Lord have mercy, you know that was the CIA. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on. Shout out to OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM. Guys, let's go ahead and support our favorite small stake pool operators out there. If you are a small stake pool operator, go ahead and DM me on Twitter for advertising rates. I only support small stake pool operators. No big stake pool operators on this channel, guys. We want to support the decentralization of the Cardano ecosystem. I choose OneCom. Thank you for sponsoring the channel. Again, 1COMM, 0% fees until at least the end of December 2022 for all new and existing delegators. Let's keep chopping wood and move on. Alright, guys, so a couple days ago, I had made a post about how Cardano has not been quote-unquote hacked yet. That wasn't true. I told you guys, Cardano's been hacked a couple times. Actually, all right, so let's stop going around puffing our chests talking about, you know, Cardano can't be hacked and this, that, and the third. Guys, we're dealing with software, we're dealing with websites, we're dealing with information security, and on top of that, guys, we're dealing with decentralization, which means anybody, any Joe Blow, you know, any person, I don't care if you're from Timbuktu, Africa, or, you know, Florida, or wherever you are, you can create a smart contract platform. You can create an NFT project. You can create a project on Cardano. It's decentralized. And with that decentralization, guys, comes risks. It comes risks that the coders didn't know what the heck they're doing. There's risks that the coders missed something. There's risks that maybe it could be an inside job. I'm not saying this was, but I'm saying Cardano can and will be hacked. So let's just make sure that we're not, puffing our chest saying that we can never be hacked, because that's not true. So, don't believe me? Ray Network just got hacked 5 days ago. So if you don't know what Ray Network is, it's an advanced DeFi ecosystem for Cardano. We've broken them down a lot. OG should know who Ray Network is. So on October 3rd and October 10th, an attacker attacked a Ray stake by spoofing the stake key and the payment address, causing the vending machine to send rewards to a specific stake key to the attacker's address. So the following transactions were made to withdraw the funds from Ray stake. This type of payment from somebody else's stake key mixed in is called a Franken address. The essence of the name address says that is made of 2 different seed keys. So, 4 transactions listed above. The attacker accessed a total of 5 million X-rays and 112 X diamonds. He sold the funds through MinSwap DEX on Sunday Swap and on Sunday Swap for 400,000 ADA. Okay. So yes, Cardano did get hacked, and guess what? There are gonna be more hacks. Okay. So make sure your smart contracts are up to date. Make sure you get audited. And let's tick down on the hubris a little bit in the Cardano ecosystem, right? Right now, I truly do believe that Cardano is the greatest crypto in the world, but we got a lot of work to do, and we got a long way to go. Let's never rest on our laurels. Even when Cardano goes to $32, we need to stay humble, and we need to be looking towards the future. All right, guys, so this sucks. I'm sorry to all the Ray Network people out there. I think that you're going to be reimbursed from the dev fund, so don't fret. But in crypto, guys, anybody, any place, anywhere can get hacked. And if you don't self-custody your crypto, then you're going to be down bad one day. Trust me. I never thought that it would happen to me. I thought that Celsius was legit. I thought that Celsius was never going to crash, never gonna go bankrupt. Alex Mashinsky was talking his sweet words, talking about, oh, we have plenty of reserves. Oh, we're not worried about bankruptcy. And then it happened, and now he's on the run. Ain't nobody seen Mashinsky since July. I don't even know if my man's is still alive. So protect your neck, be overly cautious, and you'll make it. Man, I swear, man, I don't know what the heck is going on with me. My sinuses are going crazy. I don't know what the heck. Anyway, these DEXs are offering the best farming yields on Cardano. MinSwap maintains DEX top spot by TVL. So let's take a look, guys. Some fun stuff here. So here are the best Cardano farming yields on this fine morning. Shout out to Ada Well for this. So MinSwap DEX, we got ADA and Society tokens, 93%. ADA MCOS tokens, ADA and MKR tokens. Now, I don't have to tell you guys that this is risky. Well, maybe I do, because some of y'all ain't got no damn common sense. All right, y'all just gonna go 93%. I'm gonna put my whole life savings into it. Like, come on, guys. Don't be dumb. All right. All this is risky. All these farms are risky. Okay. Now that's out of the way. We got Sunday Swap and Yummy token, 68% yields. ADA and MKR, 66% yields. ADA World Mobile Token, 22% yields. That's actually pretty lit. We got ADA and MKR, 100% yields on Wing Riders. ADA and ADA 43%, and ADA WRT token, Ring Rider token 40%, and then ADAX Pro, we ain't even gonna talk about them. So yeah, guys, we got some pretty good yields on ADA. It looks good, looks tasty. Always do your own research. Don't ape in your whole life savings. And you'll be a-okay. I love you guys. Keep chopping wood. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with the Vechain and Cardano updates. Leave by 5 comments down below. Trolls, welcome. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye. Thank you for tuning in and watching daily Vechain and Cardano videos on Satoshi Boomin channel. I want to say a wonderful shout out to our wonderful Patreons here: Maryland for Crypto, Anthony Andrews, Faruz Den, Kyle Bachi, CryptoSVT.si, Angeltopia, DNC Vale, Leon Jackson II, Kragan, Allflare LLC, Lucky Sunshine Token, and Catherine Braun. Guys, let's keep chopping wood. Don't let your means be dreams, and thank you so much for your wonderful Patreon support.